You could say I'm obsessed.
I love Norwex kitchen towels and kitchen cloths. This is all I've used to clean my kitchen for the last 5 years. My kitchen is the cleanest it's ever been. I'm not wasting money on sprays and wipes and all the things, right, that I used to get. Kitchen towels and cloths are labeled so everyone knows they're for the kitchen. And you can get them in lots of different color options, different textures. So this is a kitchen cloth and towel set. They remove bacteria from the surfaces, which is also fantastic. So I know that I always have a clean and healthy kitchen. It's the last place I would want chemicals, right? But also they have silver in them. Silver is a natural antibacterial, it's a natural antimicrobial. So we're never gonna have that bacterial growth or mold and mildew in our cloths, which is what makes traditional kitchen towels and cloths stinky. We don't want stinky cloths in the kitchen. You can get them in a matching set individually. You can also get a 3-pack of the kitchen cloths, and I use these a lot. I'm gonna show you a few ways that I use.
All right, big greasy mess here going on my cooktop. And you know what? I'm just gonna use my kitchen cloth to clean it up. No chemicals. Plus this is a gas cooktop, so the last thing I want is harsh chemicals around it, right? When I'm cleaning a big mess like this, I like to use the side of my kitchen cloth that has the texture of the Enviro cloth. I just think it picks up really well because this is grease. This is like bacon grease. So I love easy and fast, you guys. Like, easy and fast to get my kitchen clean is the best. And again, we don't want to use those toxic chemicals right around the gas flame in there, which could be really hazardous. But I just like that it's fast. And since the cloth is pretty good size, I can actually fold it in another direction to clean another surface, which is great because I can clean the granite right around my cooktop. So this is all clean. I'm gonna wipe the, I just flipped it inside, I flipped it over. So that was the side I have all my grease in. I'm gonna flip it over and keep going. So we've had sickness going around in our house. I think it's going around everywhere, but everybody uses the microwave, right? I'm just gonna take that kitchen cloth and gently wipe it. I'm removing the bacteria, the dirty, grimy fingerprints, and honestly, you can even clean the inside of the microwave. Again, the last place we want to spray chemicals, right? Because then when our babies go to heat up their food, those chemicals are going to get into the food. This is just such a much more eco-friendly and safe option for the family. Let's not forget that drip tray, fingerprints. This works great. Now, if you really want a nice touch, use your kitchen cloth first and then go over it with the window cloth dry, and you'll have a nice streak-free shine. No chemicals needed on our refrigerator either.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and learned a little bit more about possibly one of my favorite Norwex cloths, the kitchen cloths and kitchen towels. And honestly, they simplify. I don't need a cabinet full of stuff to get a job done. That's this easy, right? Have an amazing day. I'll see you soon.